Hello friends, today we will learn about Introduction to BIOS. It is an abbreviation of Basic Input and Output Service. It contains system data used by the ROM BIOS service routines. BIOS is a small ROM chip on the PC's motherboard. A basic software program containing all BIOS functions is permanently stored in the ROM. It is responsible for starting the PC. This hardware integrated with software is also referred to as firmware. History of BIOS. Intel developed the 8086 and 8088 in the end of 70s. Microsoft created the operating system called DOS. Fundamental of DOS. It consisted of two parts. The BIOS itself is one part of the operating system. The program files consist of utilities and kernel. Functions of the BIOS. When you first turn on your PC requires information to detect PC components to find the operating system. So this information is stored in the BIOS. Power on self-test. It takes place right after you power on your computer. It contains diagnostic routines for initializing the hardware and peripherals, checking the functions. It shows an error message on screen if an error is detected. If a monitor cannot be detected, the beep codes are output by the system loudspeaker. Plug and play functionality. BIOS next looks for additional BIOS memory chips. If present, they run their routines and supplement or replace some functions of the system BIOS. Bootstrap loader. BIOS next accesses the first sector of the hard drive, termed as the boot sector. It is a small program that knows the file structure of the storage media and can call the operating system's start routine. Operating system kernel. Next, the operating system kernel is read into the main memory and control of the hardware passes onto the operating system. Video BIOS ROM. It contains the basic data like initialization routines, BIOS functions, and character sets. It also sets the interrupt vectors for the interrupts. Video interrupt. There is a software interrupt that permits the software to communicate with the video card. It can access the registers. It can control the mode, the character input and output, and read and write pixels. So here we have learned something new about BIOS. Thank you.